If you're a consultant, agency owner, or freelancer, you know the post-meeting tax. You spend an hour on a high-stakes call, and then instead of moving to the next task, you spend another 30 minutes trying to decipher your messy handwritten notes and hunting for that one specific deadline the client mentioned, and drafting a follow-up email that sounds professional but doesn't take forever to write. It's a massive time suck. And if you're busy, things slip through the cracks. You forget a key next step, the client feels ignored, and you lose momentum. Today, I'm going to show you how to eliminate that entire process. We're building an automated pipeline that turns a raw client conversation into structured notes, a task list, and a polished follow-up email in about 60 seconds. To do this, we need 3 layers: the ear, the brain, and the inbox. Most people just use an AI note taker and stop there. That's a mistake. The raw transcript from an AI note taker is usually 5,000 words of ums, ahs, and tangents. It's useless to your client. Layer 1 is the ear. I personally use Fireflies.ai, but Otter or Grain work too. These tools join your Zoom call as a silent participant. They don't just record, they transcribe every single word with speaker ID. But again, a transcript is just data. We need intelligence. Layer 2 is the brain. This is where we use an LLM like Claude 3.5 Sonnet or ChatGPT to filter the noise. The secret isn't just summarizing, it's about extracting business value. We want the AI to look for 3 specific things: the pulse, what is the client actually worried about? The commitments, what did I promise to do? And the timeline, when is the next milestone? I'm going to give you my executive assistant prompt at the end of this video. It's designed to ignore the small talk and focus entirely on project deliverables. This is what turns a messy 40-minute chat into a 3-paragraph executive summary. Layer 3 is the delivery. This is where the magic happens. We use a tool like Zapier to connect everything. Trigger, the meeting ends in Fireflies. Action, send transcript to ChatGPT. Final action, draft a reply in Gmail and save to CRM. The goal isn't to have the AI send the email, privacy and tone matter. The goal is to walk out of your meeting and find a 95% finished email. You spend 10 seconds proofreading, hit send, and you're done. A lot of people ask, isn't it weird to have a robot in the meeting? Here is the script I use to make it a competitive advantage. I tell the client, I've invited my AI assistant today so I can focus 100% on you. Frames like that make you look like a tech-forward professional, not someone too lazy to take notes. It actually builds more trust. So to recap, capture with Fireflies, structure with my EA prompt, automate the draft with Zapier. If you want the exact prompt, I have added it in the description. Stop writing notes and start building systems.